everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review TVF's Aspirants, the latest show that is out. Now, believe it or not, I've not watched any of the TVF series before this. I know that there are so many famous ones such as Kota Factory, Permanent Roommates, Triplings, Aam Aadmi Family, Ye Meri Family, Pictures, things that definitely interest me, but I've never gotten around to watching them. However, this weekend I've started watching Aspirants and it is absolutely an outstanding and incredible experience coming from TVF itself, which is definitely one of its own independent sort of production house at this point. This is the series that is out on YouTube right now with millions of views and stars Naveen Kasturia, Shivankit Singh Parihar, Abhilash Taplial in the main lead roles, along with Sunny Hinduja in a key role. This is so beautifully made that I was thoroughly impressed by it. Every little character in there has been detailed, has been written out in a very meaningful way with a lot of background attached to it, and the performances are driven by that writing. This is not just another web series. There are many web series today, and this is not just another web series with template characters that, one is the funny guy, one is the smart guy, one is this and one is that, and the girls are there and then the uncles are there. It's not like that. It is very much well thought out and etched out and has a certain sense of beautiful romance to the atmosphere, and not in a boy girl romantic way, but a romantic sort of feel to it, a warmth to it, a sort of, sitting with your tea and coffee in the morning watching the sunrise sort of romance, in there. And that all this sort of beauty exists in this particular screenplay is thanks to the writing, thanks to the direction, and then the well etched out performances. The directors and the editors have taken no rushed approach here. They want to examine every scene, they want to examine the situation, they want to examine the conversation, the characters, and they beautifully lay that out in their screenplay. So while a lot of the other TVF shows or any other web series that you guys might have watched and everyone is continuously watching these days might be very surface level characters that are still entertaining, this one takes it a step further and takes itself pretty seriously, and that is why it is very impactful. The story itself is also pretty unique. I know Kota Factory was about the IIT JEE entrance exams. This Aspirants is about the UPSC exam for the, to become an IAS officer and things like that. However, it's not just about that, right? It's about all these characters, their interrelationships, the past, the present, the related characters, the romances. It is just outstanding, and the performances are incredible, one better than the other. Charming performances here, very natural, very realistic, no sort of over the top Bollywood approach in here, and very relatable and connected. It is a must watch. It is absolutely a knockout series that, is one of the best drama series that I have watched in India. There are so many out on Netflix, Prime, etc. But if you really think about it and understand where these guys and team is coming from and compare it to some of the biggest series and shows out there, this really stands up high in competition. And I must say, it is worth every single person's time in India to go and watch this. It is beautifully done, very well made, and I've not seen anything like it. I'm going with 4 stars for Aspirants because I absolutely enjoyed it. Leave your comments below on which TVF series I should watch next, which is the best. There are so many to choose from and I don't know where to start. So leave your comments below, and I hope you like this review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much more.